It's been said that when you're a model railroader, your layout is never finished, and you won't have just one layout. That's true for me, at least, for as you can see, my layout has been completely redone. Hey guys, welcome back to the Mill Run in Western Maryland. I'm excited to finally share with you the changes I've made to the layout and why. So originally my layout was all Bachmann Easy Track and consisted of two major loops on more or less a 4x8 sheet of plywood with a small extension to the yard on the other side of the wall. Though the layout operated well, I was wanting to make some design changes to the track plan and reduce a little bit of the spaghetti track look. So I stripped the layout and got started. I went as far as replacing the Bachmann track with cork roadbed and flex track. This was something that I fooled very little with, but I ended up really enjoying mapping it out and laying it. After a few snags, it finally took shape, and I was able to put it into operation. And it works great. The new main line, the outer circle, goes through the wall, which allows for longer trains and a longer run. Having the train disappear from sight also creates an illusion that the layout is a lot larger than it is, and it adds to the enjoyment of running my trains. With all this, I've learned a lot more things about model railroading that I hadn't thought about before, including an experiment I'm going to try using 5mm foam boards to raise my town to the height of my roadbed. If you're interested in seeing that process, let me know by giving this video a like. And with that, I'm hoping to put together some more how-to videos on some of the things that I've picked up during this process. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and share the Mill Run in Western Maryland. Hop on.